Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're making coconut milk. So if you like coconut milk and you've been buying, the next time you go to your local farmers market, try and get a coconut like this, the dry one, right? I bought this for $1.15, and you're going to see how much milk we're going to come up with. So I break it, and you can break your coconut any way you like it. Go outside on your pavement and heat it, but do it in such a way that you can collect your coconut water, right? And then use a knife to pry it out, or use a spoon. Be very careful when you're trying to take it out of the shell. And all I'm going to do is chop it a little before I put in the blender. And honestly, if you don't have a blender, you can use a box grater. When we were kids, we used to use a box grater to grate a coconut and make milk. So I don't make a lot at once. I will just do one coconut, because since it doesn't have any preservatives, it can last 2 days or so in the refrigerator. So to this, I am going to add 2 cups of water. If you want your coconut milk to be a lot thicker, you can reduce the water to 1.5 cups. And I am going to keep this for later. I'll just drink it. So now we blend. And you need a cheesecloth to strain your milk and drain it as much as you can. Truly, it's this easy to make coconut milk at home. The good thing when you make your coconut milk at home, 1, it's a lot cheaper. 2, it's a lot healthier, because there is no artificial ingredients, no fillers. It's just pure coconut and water. That's it, right? And it tastes a lot better. The chaffs right here, you can dry it in the oven, 200 degrees or so, very low heat, and use that. You can add it in your baked goods. You can freeze this raw chaff and just add in your smoothie. And right here is fresh, homemade coconut milk. See, so simple. I hope you try it at home and just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.